Well guys, if you do remember back to a few episodes ago where I did say that Blink charging stock is definitely undervalued, I hate to say it but my predictions so far were correct and the stock price has shot up. So now we're at $35. Honestly, the intention of this video is to see where we might go from here, obviously assess whether it is a good stock to buy right now and what I would personally do regarding this company. So of course, if that does sound like a great plan for an episode, please do smash that like button and do subscribe. You guys really know we're trying to get to as many subscribers as we possibly can as soon as possible, so thank you for everything so far. On top of that, if you do of course want to come and join us on our Discord server, link to that will be down in that description, and of course I will see you over there. Let's jump straight into this one though by having a look at the stock over the past 6 months. So when we do that, we can see we are up quite significantly on a more recent period on the stock's price. So from about the 16th of November, maybe even a little bit earlier, we did see the stock's price increase dramatically. It went all the way from, $9.95 all the way up to highs of $33. Currently, we're sat at about $35, so we're even higher than that. So obviously, we're at all-time highs for this company. Now, when we move in a little bit closer, look at the 1 month period, we can see that we are also up quite significantly. Most of that growth is coming from this 1 month period, and it really does show. We started off the month on $14.12. We ended up here on $35.28. So, of course, that is a big increase. It definitely is. And I do think it shows good signs for the company. Looking more closely into the 5-day, we can see we're seeing a lot of big growth coming from that 5-day period again, more specifically from the Wednesday or at least the Tuesday onwards. So obviously from Tuesday to now we have seen the biggest amount of growth, and on the 1-day we are up quite significantly as well. This is Yahoo Finance and they're saying that it's up by 11.61% so far. So yeah, my predictions on this and my thoughts on this. Obviously, Blink charging stock is definitely a great stock to buy. I've already said this about ChargePoint. I've said it probably about Blink before in the past. I personally think that all of these charging stocks are going to be the ones for the future. I think that they're all undervalued right now. ChargePoint stock, this stock, I think for the long term, if you're holding for maybe 5 to 10 years, when more electric vehicles are going to be on the street, these stocks are definitely a buy. Look at this one from a price point though, I definitely think we could possibly, or at least hopefully, see a small sell-off at some point, and then hopefully that is when I would get in. That's just my personal views, and of course I am not a financial advisor, but if I was waiting to get in, I would definitely wait for a small decrease in the share's price, because with such a huge increase today, it's probably likely that we are going to see a small sell-off at some point in the future, which could make this a better opportunity to get in. But yeah, looking at Blink charging stock as a company, obviously for the long term, like I've already said, it's definitely a great buy, because if we look at petrol companies with petrol stations or gas stations, and also diesel companies, and the amount of customers that they see, the amount of clients that they have, is obviously a huge market sector. Once this market does go fully electric, you guys can already understand the huge growth which we are going to see because of that, because obviously huge customer numbers will increase. So yeah, for that reason, I can definitely see this one going over $50 very soon. I can see this one potentially rallying up quite high in a few months as hype does build around their stock. I do believe there's been a bit of information about them and deals and whatnot, and of course as that does happen, good things do tend to arise with the stock's price. So let's hope that we can see future growth. Let's hope that this can be, continuing into the future. But that's my views. My views are, yes, it is a buy if you do intend to hold for multiple years, as I do see this as being a great long-term growth stock. So I hope you did enjoy this quick analysis, this quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.